What are you doing over there? What are you doing over there? Squirrel. Squirrel. Come here. What are you doing right there? You gonna get on the boat and tell me something? Get down there on the boat and tell me one time. Squirrel girl. That's that girl. She's getting where she's trusting me a lot more. Get on the boat. Get on the boat down there and look at me. She looks like she's fat. Okay, I'm coming to you. How about that? How about I come to you? She still hides, but she's learning. Come here. She's one time she's got, or two times she's got on the boat down here, about 4 foot from me, 3 feet from me, and but most of the time there, she hides behind a tree. All right, come on. I backed up to right here. Come on. I'm all the way over here now. Come on. I'm over here. Come on. Come on. Get on down there, girl. Squirrel girl. I call that a squirrel girl. Get on down there, squirrel girl. Get on down there, squirrel girl. Funny how they hang upside down and eat. But they cannot put their head above the tail, because if they do that, they can't hold on with their hands and use their hands to eat with. So they hang on with the tail, with their 2 hind feet, and then they use their hands, 2 front hands, to hold the food with to eat it. I don't know how they swallow it upside down and the food goes uphill. I don't know. Well, anyway, that's old squirrel girl right there. She gonna move behind the tree. Now come over here. Why did you go back there behind the tree like that? Come on, get another pecan. Come on. I'm over here right now. Come on. Don't wipe your mouth off on that tree. Come on, squirrel. Come on, squirrel girl. Get on that boat down there and get you another pecan. Pecan. That squirrel's a pecan. She don't know what a pecan is. She's a pecan girl. That's a pecan girl, not a pecan girl. She got the biggest one that time. Tell you what, that squirrel is fat. Oh, there's a woodpecker right there. I'm gonna walk over there and bust some of these pecans up. Here I come, girl. Here I come right here. I'm gonna bust some of these up for that bird right there. Come here, woodpecker, come here. Here. I'm gonna bust these things up a little bit for you. Come here, woodpecker. Come here, Woody Wood. Man, I'm so weak I can't even break these pecans. I'm so weak. I went to the doctor today. I go to the doctor two times a week, and I went today to therapy. And they put me on some kind of electric something, or they hook my back and my legs up to some kind of electric things, or that run some kind of pulse or something other through my back and my legs to make my muscles work and contract, muscles work back and forth. But alright, I'm gonna back up. I'm looking for that woodpecker. I left these 2 right here for the squirrel. And there's the squirrel's tail right there. That's the squirrel's tail in that tree. In that V. Ow, 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 ouch. 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 Come on down here. I can see you way up there now. Where'd that bird go to? Where'd that woodpecker go to? It was supposed to be 93 degrees today. I got a long sleeve shirt on. But, yeah, I went to see the doctor, to the therapy thing, whatever they call it there, and they would give me a good massage. They put some kind of cream on my back and my legs and massaged me real good for about 15 to 20 minutes, and that massage felt real good. That girl has some strong hands on her. She relaxed a lot of my muscles in my back and my legs and all. But got through that, then she put me on that electric thing where they run them electric pulses down my back and legs and all. I did that for about probably 20 minutes, I think she said, what the timer was set on. And now the bird's coming down now. But when I went in the doctor's office in the therapy thing there, I had about a 10 pain. My legs and my back hurt so much I couldn't hardly walk. And then when she got through with me, with everything they did, my pain was probably about a 5. It done dropped back down half of what it was. And my leg was still numb. My right leg is numb, but there was not no pain. That's that female woodpecker, I think. I can't see. I'm blind right now. Everything's in black and white right now the way I'm looking. Yeah, that's that female woodpecker there. Come on down there, Mrs. Woody Wood. Come on. She's getting where she's trusting more and more. She's a little bow-legged. Look at her, she's bow-legged. Her legs is probably 3 inches apart. You know, her legs should be like this, but her legs are spread out, spread eagle. Her legs are spread eagle. Now she's up there, got that pecan on that tree, beating on the tree with it, breaking it on it smaller and smaller. Well, I got to get out of this shirt. A while ago, I had me a plastic cup, and I had me some unsweet tea in the plastic cup, and I was drinking it. All of a sudden, my shirt was soaking wet, my pants were soaking wet, and I looked. That plastic cup had a little tiny hole in it up there, like a dribble glass does. And I'm talking about that thing dribbled tea all over my shirt and my pants. I don't know how it got that crack. Well, finally swallowed that pecan. She's ready for another one now. No, she swallowed a little bit more of it. Oh, I see. She's holding on to it with her hands, her feet, and she's got it poked in a little crevice up there in that tree. And that's what she did. She's coming on back for more now. That's the female woodpecker there. I'm about blind. Come on, get down there, Mrs. Woody Wood. She go behind the tree, behind the fence. Yeah, look at her bow legs. Come on, girl. She don't look like she's very old. Not very big. And she went right back to the same spot. Alright, I'm gonna stop this video. I cannot hold my hands up any longer, and my neck is killing me from looking up. My neck is stiff as a board like it is. I cannot look up. I can't hardly look left or right. I can look down, but I can't look up hardly. It's very, very hard to look up. I have to lean backwards with my back and all to look up. And that hurts my back and hurts my leg too. That woodpecker's gone crazy. I'm gonna stop this video. Stop.